I planted the Romeo and Juliet cherry bushes on the west side of the house, and they came from the Heartland Nursery in Kansas City, Missouri. I bought them in April 2019. First, I got Romeo, and then Juliet joined Romeo. They showed some gratitude with some very beautiful blossoms before I planted them. And this is the root ball. And then I did amend the soil a great deal, and I planted both of them together, and you'll see that they are doing really well. This is their third year in 2020. They are 6 feet apart, so it accommodates for the full potential of what the size they'll be about 6 feet. Fertilizer. Work it in the soil about 3 inches out. Cover it with the dirt and then water. That's it. Thank you.